Why family exercise matters.
Exercising together as a family helps build healthy habits, strengthen bonds, and improve everyone's physical and mental well-being. For kids and teens, being active with family members is often more fun and motivating than solo efforts, making it easier to stick with regular exercise. Plus, parents set a positive example when active living is a shared family priority.
Make it fun for everyone.
Choosing activities everyone enjoys is key to keeping kids and teens motivated. Try games, sports, or creative challenges to make fitness exciting. Switch up routines with activities like dance sessions, bike rides, or friendly competitions. When exercise feels like play rather than a chore, children and teens are more likely to participate willingly.
Create a consistent routine.
Setting regular times for family exercise helps make it a normal part of daily life. Whether it's a short walk after dinner or a weekend hike, consistency helps build habits. Make adjustments as needed to fit everyone's schedules and celebrate small successes to keep kids and teens interested and looking forward to each session.
Encourage, don't pressure.
Support and encouragement work better than pressure or criticism. Praise effort, improvements, and teamwork rather than just focusing on performance. Allow children and teens to have input on activity choices and respect their individual interests and abilities. Maintaining a positive atmosphere makes them much more likely to stay engaged.
Set goals and track progress together.
Setting shared, achievable goals gives everyone something to work toward as a team. Track your family's progress with charts, apps, or simple checklists, and reward your collective achievements with healthy celebrations or special activities. Working toward a common target can boost motivation for kids and teens and make fitness a team effort.